Hi and welcome to this video about the secret of ChatGPT. If you're not familiar with GPT, it stands for Generative Pre-training Transformer, and it's a type of machine learning model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text. You might be wondering, what can GPT be used for? Well, one potential application is in chatbots, which are computer programs that are designed to engage in conversation with human users through text or voice input. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at how GPT can be used in chatbots to hold more natural and engaging conversations with users. But before we get started, it's important to note that the content of this video was generated by ChatGPT, a program that uses GPT to create text on a wide range of topics. So, how does GPT work? At a high level, it's based on a type of neural network called a transformer, which is trained on a large dataset of text to learn the patterns and structure of language. For example, if you feed GPT a sentence like, "The cat sat on the mat," it might generate the next sentence in the sequence, such as, "The mat was soft and comfortable." Once it's been trained, GPT can be fine-tuned for specific natural language processing tasks, such as language translation or question answering. In the case of chatbots, GPT can be used to generate responses for the chatbot to send to users. This allows the chatbot to hold more natural and coherent conversations with users, even on topics that it may not have been specifically programmed to handle. For example, if a user asks a chatbot about the weather, the chatbot could use GPT to generate a response like, "The weather is currently sunny and warm. It's a great day to be outside." However, it's important to note that GPT is a machine learning model, and as such, its capabilities are limited to the data it has been trained on and the specific task it has been fine-tuned for. It's also important to use GPT and other advanced technologies responsibly and ethically. So that's the secret of ChatGPT. It's a powerful tool for creating more natural and coherent conversations with users, but it's important to use it responsibly and ethically. Thanks for watching this video about the secret of ChatGPT. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content generated by ChatGPT. Who knows, maybe you'll even learn some more secrets about GPT and other advanced technologies. See you on our next videos.